Hey, so everybody out there, just about everybody I know has back pain. I've had back pain for over 24 years, ever since the military. And then when I was a cop, I had a very heavy gun belt. But anyway, a few years ago, I discovered 2 or 3 exercises that changed my life. Now, I still have back pain every single day, but I do this every single day, 2 or 3 times, and the pain subsides for about 10, 12 hours. And that has to do with your muscles. Okay, so everybody thinks that because they have back pain, it's their back muscles that are hurting them. Now, I have disc problems with discs and herniated discs and stuff, but in reality, it's your anterior muscles. So as you get older, your chest, your quads, your biggest muscles, and your abs, they tighten up. You know, you move less, so they get tight. You know, your ligaments get tight, your tendons get tighter, everything. So as your body goes forward and your head weighs a ton, okay, your back muscles start to try to straighten you back out. But these are so tight that your back muscles can't do it. So what's happening is the muscles here, your hip flexors and your psoas, are attached to the front part of your spine and they're pulling it. So everybody likes to bend forward and stretch their hamstrings. That's great. You need to do that twice a day for 30 seconds. You can put your hands on your knees, try to keep your back straight, and then you can go down as low as you want. 30 seconds. You gotta do it at least that much so your muscles release. If you're real, patient about it, do 30 seconds, and then do 30 seconds on each side, you're good. So that's number 1. But then again, that's still stretching out your back. When you're at work, or when you wake up, put your hands on your hips and look up. I feel that pain in my back. So what you're doing is you're stretching out your abs and your neck, okay? And you're opening up your chest, you're stretching it, okay? So 30 seconds just like that, you'll feel your abs stretch and you'll feel your neck. So that. Now, another thing is you can do this. Big deal, that's huge, okay? So that's the second exercise. The third is to stretch out your quads. Man, you would be amazed at how tight your quads are. Most people don't even have a clue, okay? Mine are pretty flexible. I do this all the time, but you try it. Okay, so what do? You find a couch, usually a couch or a chair, somewhere about this height, something like this, and you put your instep there and you hold on so you don't fall. It could be the edge of your bed, and you just, hold it there, 30 seconds. If you can do real good, look up. Wow, that gets the psoas and the hip flexors and your quads stretched out, okay? Why do old people walk around like this? Because these are pulling them down, your hip flexors. So they're doing this. Meanwhile, their back hurts because their back doesn't understand, like, hey, we're not gonna be able to pull this body up. So you gotta help it, you gotta release these muscles and loosen them up. One more thing, when you wake up in the morning, if you wake up with a lot of pain, when you get out of bed, before you even get out of bed, you put your feet on the ground, okay? Put the edge of your butt on the edge of the bed and lay back, let your legs hang. This stretches your psoas, your hip flexors. Most people, when they lie down, their back hurts. That's the first indication that your problem is not your back, it's your tight anterior muscles, all your muscles in the front, your abs, your hip flexors, your psoas. So if you let your legs hang, okay, and just lay there, 30 seconds at least. If you can do 2 minutes, you're a champ, and oh my God. If you can do each of these stretches for 2 minutes, twice a day, your life will change. So that's it. I wish I could have done it faster. I'm trying to keep these videos real short. But basically, if you have back pain, you have to realize it's not your back muscles, okay? It's your hip flexors, your abs, your neck, the weight of your head. You need to open up, okay? You need to move, make them flexible again, and it will relieve the pressure on your back muscles that are trying to straighten you out. Okay, bye-bye.